Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube watermark subscribe button like this one using my favorite graphic design tool, Canva. And I'm also going to show you how to upload it to your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to create and place your watermark on all of your videos to help you increase your subscriber count, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing because I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So let's head over to my computer to get started. Okay, so here we are on Canva. And the first thing that we need to do is create the subscribe button. So 3 things that you have to keep in mind. It has to be a square. It has to be a minimum of 150 by 150 pixel and less than 1 megabyte in size. So the first thing you want to do is create a design. So click there and you're going to put 150 by 150. Create design, and this is your Canva right here that you could start playing with. I usually do mine of one solid color, something that pops. So I'm going to do hot pink. And then your text, you want to make sure that it's easy to read. So I would stay away from cursive fonts. Something like this will work really well. So I'm going to say subscribe here, and then I'm going to make this a tab bigger. So I like how that looks, and I'm going to stretch it out so it could fit the entire page, and then I'm going to go ahead and center it. So I like how that looks. So this one is pretty good to go. So once you're happy with what you created, you save it as a JPEG and you download it to your computer. So I'm going to save this right here. Now, the second type of style that you could create is that you could actually put the YouTube logo on your watermark if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and do that now to kind of show you. So I'm going to make this smaller again, and I'm going to push this down, and I'm going to change this to white. So let's go ahead and do something different. I'm going to change the background to black, and then I'm going to go to elements and search for YouTube. And it's going to bring up all these different logos here that you could use. I'm going to go ahead and use like this one, just the plain basic one that normally people know about. So this looks really good right there. I'm actually happy with the results. So once you're happy, you download the file again as a JPEG. You download it to your computer. And once you're ready to upload, let's go ahead and head over to YouTube, and I will show you how to do so. So you will go to YouTube, to your actual homepage, and you will click YouTube Studio. And from here, you will head over to Settings, and you will head over to your channel and branding. And here you're able to select when do you want it. I have it through the entire video. That's what I recommend. Some people put it at the end, some put it in the beginning. I like to have it through the whole video. So this is the current one that I currently have. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. And I'm going to pick the one that I just did, the pink one. So I'm going to grab it. Here it is. Open. And this is done one time, and it's automatically put in all of my videos. I really don't have to do anything else. Once you have it uploaded, you save it. You go back to your channel. And if you play one of your videos, so this one right here, that's playing, you actually see the logo right here. And when people hover on top of it, they're able to subscribe. And that's the reason why it's more important to put the word subscribe here versus just having some people use just their logo, because a lot of people don't know that if they click there, they could actually watch the video and subscribe to the channel. And this is really going to help you drastically increase your subscriber count. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any additional questions. And thank you so much for watching.